to the Deriv Navigator Academy. In today's lesson, we will be looking at over 5, okay? Now, when trading over 5, make sure that the red bar is at either 0 or 1 and the green bar is at 9 or 8, okay? Now, to trade over 5, you wait for the ticker to touch either 0 or 1 and place over 5, okay? Let me show you. Now, when the ticker touches 0 or 1, I will place over 5, all right? So I hope you've understood that. So first make sure that the green bar is at 9 or 8 and the red bar is at 1 or 0. Simply like that. Okay? Now, let's wait for the setup. So it's at 5 right now. 6, 4. Oh, remember, before you place, make sure all these settings are correct. Make sure the tick is set at 1. The last digit prediction is changed. You see, I had not changed my last digit prediction. Come and make sure that it is at 5. Make sure you have set your stake, make sure it is over and make sure it is under, like that. And then now we come and analyze. So you wait for it to touch either 0 or 1 and then you place over. So let's just wait, it's at 8, over. As you can see, that's a win. That's a win. So guys, please, go and try it. It is very nice because it is just simple, simply like this, okay? Wait for the ticker to touch either 0 or 1 and place over, okay? And make sure that the green bar is at 9 and the red bar is at 1 or 0, okay? And it gives you a very nice profit, a 143% profit. That is a very nice profit for any trader. So, guys, go try it. Give me feedback. Give me the feedback. If it works for you, notify me. If it doesn't work, no problem. Now, and before you end, please make sure you subscribe. It highly encourages me to continue making these videos. Make sure you share to anyone who you know is interested in Deriv. And yeah, let's grow together, okay? If you want a free membership to my WhatsApp group where we chat and share bots for free, my number is in the description. If you want any bot for free, my number is in the description. I will give you the bot for free. If you decide to send money or not send money, that's according to you, but the bots are free for everyone, okay? And yeah, that's the lesson for today. It was short and brief like that. I wanted to tell you this strategy because I've just come across it. And yeah, go try it. Try it first in demo. If it works in demo for you, go and try it in real account, okay? Thank you for watching and good luck.